The 2023 edition of the ProCeed GT reinforces Kia's prowess in manufacturing sports-focused, stylish hatchbacks that effortlessly balance power and fuel efficiency. This vehicle captures the attention of automotive enthusiasts with its robust 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that generates a healthy 204 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. In the performance department, the car employs a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, delivering power exclusively to the front wheels. This drivetrain setup allows for a sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a swift 7.5 seconds, while reaching a top speed of 140 miles per hour. Despite these sporty credentials, the ProCeed GT doesn't compromise on fuel economy, offering 24 mpg in the city, 33 mpg on the highway, and a combined average of 28 mpg. From a pricing standpoint, the ProCeed GT starts at a competitive $33,000, making it an appealing proposition in the sports compact category. This price includes a robust suite of features, creating a compelling blend of luxury, performance, and convenience. The car's exterior exudes a stylish and sporty appeal, with signature design elements including sleek LED headlights and the iconic tiger nose grille. However, it's not just the exterior that shines. The interior boasts a spacious cabin adorned with high-quality materials and enhanced comfort features. Kia has prioritized safety in the ProCeed GT, integrating a comprehensive list of advanced driver assistance systems. These features aim to provide a secure driving experience and could potentially lower insurance premiums for drivers. Among the standard inclusions are a sunroof and heated front seats, alongside a sophisticated 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system offering seamless connectivity options. This hatchback doesn't skimp on optional features either, with additions like a panoramic sunroof, a Harman Kardon sound system, and a blind spot monitoring system available to elevate your driving experience. The car's noteworthy driving dynamics come courtesy of a sport-tuned suspension and responsive steering. The latter ensures the car delivers a driving experience that marries sportiness with comfort. A particularly distinguishing feature is the electronic limited slip differential, which significantly enhances handling, especially during sharp turns and quick maneuvers. To sum it up, the 2023 ProCeed GT stands testament to Kia's commitment to deliver performance-oriented, design-forward, and tech-rich vehicles. It appears poised to make a significant impact in the compact sports car category with its compelling combination of power, elegance, and cutting-edge features. Whether it's for a daily city commute or an occasional long drive, this vehicle ensures a gratifying journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.